Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add CSS if base.css file not available on your theme. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself to make it more professional, more user friendly, and you are watching my videos relevant Shopify store design customization and you face this problem that base.css file not available, then this tutorial will be helpful for you. So let's get started. To do this, first of all you have to log in your Shopify admin panel. So I'm going to log in my Shopify admin panel. Login, click on the login button. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click on the online store. Then click on this three dot icon, edit code, and suppose you don't have base.css file. You have to open asset folder, then click on the add a new asset, then create a blank file, extension CSS, file name my custom style. This is my CSS file name, my custom style. Done. Here is my custom style.css file. Now open layout folder, open theme.liquid file, and we have to add this file, call this file in the theme.liquid to it work. Okay, to do this you have to add this line, then in here you have to add your file name, my custom style.css file, then click on the save. Now we can check the result. So go to the home page, and for example change the color of this text, select, looks here, then color red, copy this rule, go to the my custom style file and paste this code in here, click on the save. Now going to reload, close it, reload, wow, it's working. So I hope you understand how we have added custom CSS file if base.css file not available in your Shopify theme, and how you can call this file in the theme.liquid file. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.